from tutorial CROPWAT 8 software. It's a computer program for the calculation of this. Let's start. This is CROPWAT 8 software. The computer program for calculation of on climate. We can calculate the solar radiation and the ET node, and also we can calculate the CROPWAT requirement and the schedule as well as the scheme supply. And finally, rain. This is the calculated parameters effective rainfall by using different formulas, by using fixed percentage, by using dependable rain, and by using empirical. Finally, by using USDA Soil Conservation Service. By using this formula, we can calculate the effective rainfall. So this climate, rain, crop, soil, and the crop pattern and the input parameter, whereas the CROPWAT requirement, the schedule, and the scheme are the output parameter. So first we can fill the input parameter. So let's start from the prepared input parameter for this CROPWAT 8. So these are the input parameter: the location, the climate data, the rain, as well as the crop data. So the location is, the country is Albania, the station is Bitola station, and latitude and longitude, the elevation also as we see from this. So climate, the country is Albanian country, and the station is Bitola station. And the altitude is 589. This is 589. This is altitude. 589. And the longitude, the latitude and the longitude. The latitude is 21.36 north and 41.05 east. These are the location of the Bitola station. And next we can copy the prepared this data: the minimum, maximum temperature, humidity, wind speed, and sunshine hour. This is the climate data. So in monthly, the minimum temperature, the maximum temperature, humidity, wind speed, and sunshine hour. The minimum and the maximum temperature in degrees centigrade, the humidity in percentage, the wind speed meter per day, and sunshine in hour. We can arrange these units first. So in degree centigrade, humidity in percentage, the wind speed in kilometer per day, sunshine in hour, the same as this data. So let's copy from this 2.6 to this all file. We can copy the table. This is a table, and we can paste, not control plus V, only right click on this part, paste table. You can accept yes. So we can fill this input parameter, and we can the model software calculates the solar radiation and the ET node by using this option, by using ET node Penman Montes equation, by using climate data, this climate data. ET note, Penman calculate from temperature data only. If you have the data, temperature data, you can calculate the ET note by using temperature data only. The second